Welcome to Ganitika.com. This is a website for mathematics lovers, learners, and leaders. And more details about this website can be seen in the description below. Register to the website and enjoy the beauty of mathematics. In A Concept a Day today, we are going to see basic definition of logarithms with examples. What is logarithms and how is it written? Before we proceed further, let's see this number 16. You can see that 16 can be written in three different exponential forms. With base 2, it is 2 to the power of 4. With base 4, it is 4 to the power of 2. And with base 16, it is 16 to the power of 1. Whereas 625 can also be written in three different exponential forms. With base 5, the power is 4. So 5 to the power of 4 is 625. With base 25, the power is 2. 25 square is 625. And 625 to the power of 1 gives you 625. So you notice that a same number can be written in three different exponential form depending upon the base that you are expressing it. Now let's see this in detail. The first statement is when 16 is expressed in base 2, then the power is 4, which means 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. The power is 4 when 16 is written in the base 2. Whereas when 16 is expressed in base 4, the power is 2, which means 4 square is equal to 16. So 16 becomes 4 to the power of 2. Whereas when 16 is expressed in base 16, the power is 1. And this is the exponential form of the statement given. Let's see how to change this into logarithms. When 16 is expressed in base 2, the power is 4 and the exponential equation is 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Now let's define what is logarithm. Logarithm is the power of a number when it is written in a given base. For example, the power of 16 when written in base 2 is 4. The power of the number 16 when written in the given base 2 is 4. Let's convert the exponential equation into logarithmic equation. In short form, logarithm is written as log. So when 16 is expressed in base 2, the power which is expressed as log is equal to 4. So log of 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. 16 when expressed in base 2, the power is 4. So this is the definition of logarithm. This is how we convert an exponential form to logarithmic form. So let's consider more examples. The second one we just saw was when 16 is expressed in base 4, the power is 2 and the exponential form of this statement is 4 to the power of 2 equal to 16. Considering the logarithmic definition, when 16 is expressed in base 4, the power which is log is equal to 2. So 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 16 can be written as log 16 to the base 4 equal to 2. Considering the next example, when 16 is expressed as base 16, the power is logarithm is equal to 1. The power is going to be 1 when 16 is expressed in the base of 16. So 16 to the power of 1 equal to 16. I hope you understood how to change exponential to logarithm now. We'll see more examples. Try to express this statement in exponential and logarithmic form. When 625 is expressed in base 5, the power is 4. So 5 to the power of 4 is 625 is the exponential form of the statement. Converting this to logarithmic form, log of the number 625 when expressed in base 5 is equal to, the power is equal to 4. Therefore, when 625 is expressed in base 5, the power is 4 is written in logarithmic form. Try to do this yourself. Pause the video and try to write this statement in both exponential and logarithmic form and continue with the video. When 625 is expressed in base 25, the power is 2. Now the answer is 25 to the power of 2 is equal to 625 in exponential form. When you write it in logarithmic form, the power of log of 625 when written in base 25 is equal to 2. Log of 625 written in base 25 is equal to 2. Notice that 25, the base 25 should be written in between log and 625 as a subscript. Try to express this statement in exponential and logarithmic forms. When 625 is expressed in base 625, the power is 1. In exponential form, 625 to the power of 1 is equal to 625. In logarithmic form, logarithm of 625, when written in base 625, the power is 1. So log of 625 to base 625 is equal to 1. In general, if I have a number expressed in base b and if the power is c, then in exponential form we write the base b to the power of c equal to a. A can be expressed as b to the power of c. This is exponential form. Now converting this to logarithmic form, we should be writing log of the number to the base b, that is log of a to the base b. When a is expressed in base b, the power is c. Therefore log of a to the base b equal to c. So the log is the short form for logarithm and not this log, okay? And if you want to convert logarithms to exponential form, remember this arrow marks. B to the power of c is equal to a. Okay, let's play with log. No, not this log, but with logarithms. So we have log of a base b equal to c, which means b to the power of c equal to a. So remember this and we'll solve some problems. Log of 125 to the base of 5 is what? So the question asks you for the power when 125 is written in base 5. 5 to the power of what is equal to 125. If you follow the arrow mark given above, 5 to the power of question mark is equal to 125. Therefore, you can see that 5 times 5 times 5 gives you 125. Therefore, 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 125. Therefore, log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. Next is log of 256 to the base 2 is equal to what? 2 to the power of what is 256. This is what you have to think about. So 2 times 2 times 2, how many times you have to multiply 2 to get 256? You know that when you start multiplying 2 to the power of 8 will give you 256. Therefore, log of 256 to the base 2 is equal to 8, which satisfies the equation 2 to the power of 8 equal to 256. And here are some more questions for you with question marks at different places in the equation. Log of what to base 3 equal to 4, log of 49 to base what equal to 2, and log of what to base 4 equal to 3. So at different positions you have the question marks here. So use the condition that b power c equal to a in all these equations and find the question marks. Pause the video for a moment and come back. For the first question mark, log of question mark to the base 3 equal to 4. We know that the question mark is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Therefore, 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Therefore, log of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. Next question, question mark to the power of 2 equal to 49 is the conversion to exponential form. So, what to the power of 2 gives you 49? Of course, 7 to the power of 2 gives you 49. Therefore, the question mark here is 7, which makes logarithm of 49 to the base 7 is equal to 2. The power when 49 is written in base 7 is 2. Logarithm of what to the base 4 equal to 3. 4 to the power of 3 equal to question mark. Therefore, the question mark should be 64, which means logarithm of 64 to the base 4 equal to 3. In other words, when 64 is written in base 4, the power is 3. I hope you agree with this, that log is very powerful. Not this log, but logarithm is very powerful because it gives you the power when a number is expressed in a particular base. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.